Samsung Odyssey Neo G9, G95Nc S57Cg95 best settings. Hey guys, in this video, we will see Samsung Odyssey Neo G9, G95Nc S57Cg95 best settings. First, set the resolution to 7680 by 2160, which is dual UHD. Next, adjust the refresh rate to 240Hz in the display settings. Next, enable FreeSync Premium for smoother gameplay. Now, set the response time to fastest in the OSD menu. Calibrate brightness to 80 to 100 and contrast to 70 to 80. Now choose the game mode preset for optimized visuals. Adjust HDR settings for vibrant and accurate colors. Enable local dimming for better contrast and black levels. Now, save the settings and test in your preferred games. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.